Alright, let's see if I can fly this and try to show you guys what's going on here. So while we're in here into the flight gizmo, let's show you some things which I ended up doing. You go into your top right corner with the 3 dots. You're gonna, if it'll let me, tap. So you tap on those 3 dots, you get your safety. You're gonna scroll to the left to controls. And then we went down to stick mode. Here in the middle, you click on custom. Click on custom, brings up custom. And then you can click manual in custom. And say I wanted to slide to the right. On the other, you click and hold it. And you just bring it over. And it swaps it. So now my right stick is forward, back, drift left, drift right. But I don't like that. So let's drag this back over here. That's how you configure that. And then you click save. And you don't want to go to any of these other modes. You want to exit. So you click the arrow on the top. If it'll let me. There you go. Alright, let's get out of here.
I got more than just words. I got more than just words. You bring me songs sweet like the birds. So I got more than just words. I got peace in my mind. I got peace in my mind. Knowing that we've got the ties that bind gives me peace in my mind. The lights are so much brighter. The colors so much deeper. I got joy in my soul. I got joy in my soul. The fact that you're half of what's making me whole puts a little joy in my soul. I got love in my heart.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.